There's two main things to keep in mind about this legislation. One is that it's not just going to show your vaccination status, it will also show whether you've received a negative test result in the past days and whether you have ever been diagnosed with coronavirus before, therefore giving you antibodies. And EU countries, under this legislation that's been agreed, must allow in an EU citizen that has one of those three things. In other words, an EU country cannot block an EU citizen from entering if they haven't been vaccinated. It has to allow them to get a test and or quarantine and still come in. The other important thing to note is that this is a minimum requirement. So under this legislation, all EU countries must accept this vaccine passport. But they could let people in with other pieces of information, or they could not require anything for a citizen to come in. And this may become important because the passport will only recognize European Medicines Agency approved vaccines. That is Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, and Johnson & Johnson. Now, only one EU country has given a different vaccine that's been authorized by the EMA, that is Hungary. They've been giving out the Sputnik vaccine. That will not show up on this EU vaccine passport. However, countries would still be free to allow Hungarians who have been Sputnik vaccinated into their countries. There's nothing blocking that. This is basically a minimum criteria. The main design here is to reopen travel within the EU and get tourism going again.